hello everyone. So my today topic is about how I learned English. So I will share some points how I learned English and how I became English confident. So before ending my introduction, so hello everyone. This is me, Harsh Kobragade, and I am in class 9th standard from Gurunanak High School. As well, I am student of Step by Step Listening Institution, and I want to become English confident till 20th of September 2024. And my ambition is to become an IAS officer. So let's begin. So when I joined class, so I was not able to speak English. In my journey, I said I was not able to speak Marathi even. So how can I speak English? So that was the biggest fear for me because I had not started even. What I was thinking, many people will laugh on me. I will be get mocked by people, by persons who listen my English, that broken English even. So I was a very that shy guy. I was fearing to public. I was I live to like I like to live in alone. I like to live alone, like in darkness or to talk some with ourselves. So that was the point. And from when I joined class, I learned many things like how to be English, how to maintain eye contact. Now, when I was doing my first assignment with Sham Dada, I was taking his interview, and during his interview, she said you have to maintain eye contact and body language. You have to maintain, and you should maintain while asking question. You should also give reply. So, and because of that, I started giving reply in interview, and from that video I got from Kajol ma'am I learned, from Sham Dada specially, from Gautam sir, from every student I learned so many things because not they are old or they are English confident, because they had also done that mistakes and they learned. So they would also think that he should not do that mistake. I had done that mistake, so that next people should not do. And like that I learned English also by making more videos and by doing practice a lot. Because one video I watched of foreigner it is, and he said in that video, do how many times you fail, how many times you fall on the ground, how many times you get unsuccessful years, try again, fail again, but fail, because after that the world is yours. The world will teach you the proper guidance will teach you how to be perfect, because everybody are not born perfect that they are perfect in every work. Yes, they had practiced a lot and that's why they are perfect in their work. Best example is that Rolls Royce car is there. So one man is there who makes that line on that car, and from more than 20 years he is making, and he is expert. Why only a man is making that lines by his fingers? Because he had that experience, and no machine is used here, because he is experienced and he is trained. From 20 years he is making, and now also he is making because of his practice, because of his consistency. If you are consistent, so you will get results, and if you are doing practice, then you will also get results. So do these two things to improve your English, because nobody had born confident and like that fluent. Everybody had done practice in their life. Everybody had learned many things from others, especially me, because from each and every point I learned means more things. Now yesterday one video was there, the power of observance. If you observe many things, you should observe first of all what is going on. 1 year you wasted. No, it's not wasting. We are observing what is happening here. Now many people they learned English in 4 years, and in interview they said that I had wasted my 2 years while watching people. No, it's not watching people, it's observance. You are observing everybody, and then you took action. I was also one of them. I was also observing what is happening in lecture first of all. Then I started, because without observing you can't start, because you should know what is going exactly here. So then you can start. Now sometimes I forget my motivational line, my ETR, Why? Because first of all, that time I don't have confidence to do that. That Gautam Buddha is there, so he is reinstated person. Nobody can make him angry because of his practice like that meditation, and that's why he had made that he's in the reinstate position, and nobody can anger him because of his practice and because of his efforts. That's why we know him, and he's the that PowerPoint of peace, and peace especially. So that point I like. And while learning English, many times you will fail in your life, but don't forget that why you started, and means why you started, and why you are doing this. So like this I want to end here, but before going I want to share one motivational line that जिन पर यह जग आशा है उन्होंने इतिहास रचा है. Now one line is there. I watched one video on YouTube Shorts. So there one video is there like if you are focusing on your results, you will never change and you will never get results. But if you are focusing on your change, so definitely you will get results. So focus on your change. Try to improve your English. Try to improve and enhance your knowledge how much you can. So yes, like this I want to end here. And many people toil so much. Many people tolerate, and because of that thing they learnt English. So here I want to end this video, and thank you guys for watching this video. And if you like this video, so you can subscribe my channel. Name is Harsh Khobragade, and definitely you can watch more videos on that. So thank you.